me Kofi Edu, from a Jack Quabranti and Magic. Online party, open set what the yeto, and I yeton, and I bone the Rudia. Ewo UK, and fan to be say, she say, Juu Juu online. One papa with the Rama, na ako baby, umpe na pede, Juu Juu, one hit you.
Anyone money adofo. So ko internet so a enhwe baby as a Juu TV. Keep watching Juu TV.
Me nuanom ni adofo a mo hwe Juu TV. Said the abre nyina ye ka no. Yes, so wo hwe Juu TV a. Bo modern a subscribe to your channel no. Like it, share. Now we are one more comment. Yes, some more yes I day. Emma ye more vim. Emma ye mora. Ne boost your immune system no. Ama ya hoden dada. E dey a program for abrewa mo nya biahwe. Said ye ka no. Yes, Juu TV. Ya mama only Ghanaian so. Juu TV is for all African women and men, business people, our neighbors. Today we have our beautiful lady here. She is our neighbor. I will ask her name, then we continue. Hello, my sister.
Hi, Julie.
Welcome to Juu TV.
Thank you so much.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Genevieve. I am Nwakaego. I'm Igbo. And we are neighbors indeed. I'm from Nigeria and we are West Africans. Yeah.
You say something. You say, Igbo Nwanya. What is that?
Nwakaego is my Igbo name and it means...
No, you say something like your Igbo. That one I want to hear.
Igbo.
Igbo, that one.
And Igbo.
Igbo, okay.
Igbo woman.
You know, I have a lot of friends.
Yeah.
From Nigeria, and they are Igbos. Because of that, I like Igbo people. Yeah, I like them. How long you living in Milton Keynes?
Yeah, I'll get back to that. Igbo people are loving people.
Okay.
I'm happy you said you love Igbo people.
Yeah.
Yes, it's been a controversial thing. Some people like it this way or that way, but we are a vibrant community and we love ourselves. We love you too, my sister, and that's why we are here. I am from Milton Keynes. My name is Genevieve once again. Yes, I live in Milton Keynes.
How long have you been in Milton Keynes?
I've lived in Milton Keynes since April 2011, really. Yeah.
Wow.
Around the time of the royal wedding. And now we are also witnessing the coronation. Isn't that great?
Yes. That is fantastic. What do you do for living, honey?
Yeah, I work in the children's services and I also have a second job that I want to promote this coming summer. I'm getting things ready and I hope you will patronize me. I hope you like my stuff. So my passion is African. It came by default, really. People had seen me many occasions and they liked what they liked everything they saw, and then people kept asking me, where did you make this, who made your this, who made your that? I said, hang on, this is somebody talking here, why don't I bring it to life? And I started thinking, yes, so we are looking forward to this summer and I've got so many lovely things for you. Is it men's, is it women, is it children? Is it any stuff? You just come to knock on my door and I will try and treat you right. Thank you.
That's fantastic. Can you, if you don't mind, can you show? I saw children clothes here and that clothes. Can you show to me?
Yeah,
and let people see.
Yeah, everything really. This one I saw a very light-skinned person and I felt maybe I should make something. It's all detailed.
Oh, this is embroidery. It's very nice.
Yeah, thank you. So this one is for a little girl.
A little girl. This one is 5 years old?
Maybe. And I also have for another little girl. So they all vary really depending on what one wants. It's just to show you that we can make anything really. So this is for another little girl, probably 6.
Oh,
It's
wow.
called Adire. It's called tie.
Ah, this
Yeah,
is
it's
nice.
detailed. It's print work.
Okay, and show me more, honey. That
Definitely. I think you look good in this. While I spot this one. Yeah,
wow.
come summer with our sunglasses. We're
Okay,
ready to go.
okay, and the other that is that 10 dye. That one,
Yeah.
the blue black one.
All right, bear with me a second. Yeah. This is also batik, African print, but it's got embroidery and stones. These are really like
Yeah, yeah. The design is
work,
yeah,
real
it's very
work,
very yeah.
handcrafted, really.
It's really really nice.
Thank you.
This summer, hey, my people, this summer we will give a day.
Is for the
You,
fashion conscious people. This one is also hooded. So we can make anything with African fabric, really.
wow, wow,
Yeah.
wow, wow,
And
wow.
see the sewing, so neat. You can tell us what you want actually, and be my guest.
In fact, it's really really nice.
Thank you.
And let me see this one.
This?
Yes.
Sure.
My African people,
Are
ladies
getting
and
better.
gentlemen,
Yeah.
the cloth is really, really nice. And not only African, no, white women. When I see white women wearing African clothes, in fact, it's really, really gorgeous. So if you are a white lady or man, you want to wear African clothes, you have to come and see my sister.
Yeah.
You have to call her.
I'll treat you right.
She will treat you
I
well.
promise.
Because this summer, only thing we are going to use is this clothes. It's
And
African
jeans.
wear.
Yeah.
So if you are African lady, African man, white men or white woman, this summer we change everything because now we have new king, new law. We have King Charles now. So we have new law. So this summer, this is what we are going to wear and enjoy ourselves.
Yeah.
It's very, very nice. My sister showed me this one also.
I will.
It's very
Thank
nice.
you. And as a goodwill gesture, if you quote Julie Juu, I will give you a discount, maybe 10% or more. So yeah, that is how we roll. Yeah.
Do you hear? She said, if you call her and you mention Julie Jew, she will give you discount. So please rush and call her to get some your own.
That's
Any
right.
size, you get it from her. Even if you are slim, medium, your size is not there, don't worry. You just choose the cloth color you want. She will sew it for you.
Within
So
3 weeks. Yeah.
within 3 weeks, you see. So all African print, show anything you want, she will do it for you. It's really, really nice.
Thank you, sis.
So I want you to tell people about your telephone number. If somebody want to, you do delivery?
I do every stuff really. I can post to you wherever you are, and my phone number is 0756.
Relax, relax, relax.
I will.
I want you to relax and tell me your telephone number. So wait, I want you to finish that one first. You said you post it. I want you to mention that site again.
That's right. If you order, I can send it and it gets to your doorstep. I'll post it straight to you if you wish. But I'd like people to come and see how much more we've got in store But if that's not possible, tell me what you want and give me the address. We'll deliver right in time.
Okay. So I will come to your number again. Somebody told me this one. I've already asked one of my ladies before. Then I want you to ask you again. Somebody told me, Igbo men know how to treat women, know how to make love to women, know how to spend money. I mean, l'argent, cash with women. So far as you're Igbo lady, I want you to confirm and tell me that what that my friend told me is true or not. I want to hear from you.
Well, behind every man or woman who dresses fine, there's something behind knocking at the door for them. It's either romance, it's either a date, it's either for someone. So women most especially want to look good for themselves and want to look good for their spouses. So as a matter of fact, I would say yes, men like treating their wives, especially when they look good for them. And I'm begging men to treat your wives well. And where can you possibly come to if not here? So yeah, men treat their wives well, Igbo men especially, but some are very tight-fisted. So I cannot categorically say that they are all like lavishing on their wives. What
It's
you
true.
get anywhere, you can still see something that is opposite. But as a general rule, our men try where it comes to our ladies. And Igbo people love festivities. We go out a lot and we attend functions. We wear uniform for virtually every occasion. And there's no way we can put on with that kind of traffic without having somebody supporting us. So, men, I hail you. Women, I'm not saying that you're not independent. I know you're very much independent and we know what we want. So, yes, it goes either way, really.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And another question also is like if you compare now you're in the United Kingdom. If you compare Africa and United Kingdom, even African home food, the way home sweet home. If you compare, I want you to say something about that.
Yes, there's no place like home. We left our various locations for greener pastures, but we are pulled back because of certain identities that we inculcate, that they taught us from home. Africans like giving back. Like Igbos, they say makulono. We always try to maintain strong ties with our families that we left back home. And as a matter of fact, it is not possible for us to maintain that because of the distance. That is why we trade Africa, we eat African food, we try to pass on certain heritage to our children, certain cultures. As a matter of fact, we speak Igbo a lot, and I belong to an Igbo community. And I'm part of the Igbo teachers there because we know the value of language. So we teach our children Igbo language just in case that if they get tangled, they will still know their roots. We try to have a closure so that we wouldn't like miss entirely, but there's no place like home. Because we cannot do all these things, we still try to lift from home all we cannot and bring here. We also respect this culture that has accepted us. At the same time, we learn it, we respect it, we also try to have an attachment to ours. So in this world, really, it's dynamic. You cannot really like compare. So we take the best we can get from here and we also embellish it with all our good ones. We try to garnish our lives with all we can get here. So we try to pick the best of each and every one, but it does not make us lose our identity per se. Hope I answered.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, my sister. So so I want all men, the African men, like if you're Nigeria, if you're Ghana, all of them, all African men should come to you and buy clothes for their wives for this summer. Yeah, if their wife is a white, this one is only men who married a white woman. Yeah? I want them to come and buy it and give it to surprise. It's just surprise gift, yeah? Surprise. I want them to surprise them so that this summer when they are going out, if you are going to city center, you wear it. In fact, it's really, really nice. So I want you to put it on and let me see how it is.
Right, that's right. So, my dear, you can also get African caps in
Yeah,
African
nice one.
fabrics.
Okay,
Yeah,
and bring this cloth also. Let's see
I'll
the one.
show you in a minute. Yeah, you can also make summer clothing.
You see, men, I told you. All this is for white women.
Yeah,
I want them to enjoy this summer.
yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you more. If you want it stripy, we've got things, and they're all delicately
Wow.
embroidered. So if you want it with a scarf that you can tie on your hair, it's
Very, very
got
nice.
pockets as well. Yeah, you're ready to go.
Someone who Ghana for. And yes, I'm get you. Obia metobi. I
Yeah,
na mumfan summer mo. You
yeah,
can even take it to church.
yeah.
Yeah, this summer for church. I said new king, new law. Now we have King Charles. So
Isn't that
everything is
lovely?
changing now
Yeah,
because I know very soon King head will be in our. Yeah, they will put it on our money. So now new king, new law. This clothes is for this summer and every summer, not only this one, every summer. White women, white men, African women, African men, our children. So please don't sit down. We want you to rush to come to my sister
that's
and
right.
buy it. My
That's
sister,
right.
now I want you to tell not only me, people, your telephone number. I want you to relax and say it to them so that they can call you.
That's right. My phone number is 0756 99931. I'll be expecting your
I
call.
want you to repeat.
0756 99931. Thank you. I'll be expecting your call.
Okay. If you have somebody you want to greet, your friends, workers, church members, I don't know, anyone. If you want to say hello to them, greet them, say hello. I want to greet my friend, I want to greet this one, my pastor, you're allowed. Anybody.
Yeah, this is a shout out to Pastor Fumi who has been, supporting me. I've got Nat, I've got Nelly, I've got people I met. I've got Eve, I've got Ijoma, I've got, oh my goodness, I've got Kemi, I've got, sorry if I forgot to mention your name. I've got, most especially, I've got Uche, Da Vinci herself, who made it possible. So I've got my sisters, I've got Vicky, I've got so a lot of people really. I've got my children, these are my backbone. I've got Delphine, my friend. I've got, oh my God, I've got my neighbors, and I've got you. I've got Pastor E, and we
Okay.
thank you. Yeah, Reverend E. Thank you.
But I didn't ask you your hometown.
I'm Igbo.
I know you say you're Igbo.
Um,
Igbo, which part of
I'm
Igbo?
from Enugu State.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
and
okay,
it's in the eastern part of Nigeria. Yeah.
okay. Because I want my friends to know your where you
My
come from.
Yeah, I'm from Enugu State, and I'm
Okay,
married to someone from Enugu State, precisely. Yeah.
Igbo man.
So I also, of
Okay,
course.
okay, okay. Of course.
Yeah.
Hey, my sister.
Of course.
Hey. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So far as you finish your own, I also say hello to my friends. my people, yeah?
That's good.
So, me nua ba ye wi. Me nso me chia madofo. Ai, me di kan achia me lawyer papa bi. Ye freno lawyer Regina Spew. Hey, sa ma me no. Oye immigration lawyer. Oya de papa. Se wo immigration hu problem a. Ono ene wo se uko hu no. Regina Spew. Enya sem keto akra. Next time the telephone number betudwa. Na fe wa frɛ no. Na wone na twetwe nkomo because oya de pa. Wo immigration hu nsem bia kuku hu no. Obeye hu adwuma ma pa. Afe me wie na mechia mehene. Nana ehwa hene kumase ehwa hene ai oye Juu nana ohima na te hasa no menye ohima nana asiama yebua ai nana behume wate odi ohima na beba so enche ubehumanim ai ubehumanim ohima no ebeba so afei mechia ma me akwedonko mechia omampanin dada Honorable John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency Namachia Nana Ekufu-Addo, His Excellency Machia, me papa Kwejupianim, ono nso so, oye, me Honorable Bakope, na fe, omampanin dada akofo, His Excellency, also Mechiao, na Machia, upcoming president media me bubodi o agwa beto binim wo ebekwa ma obia me papa ba omia wo ne bekwa ma wafa me papa alanche mate wo ne bekwa ma wafa me papa Canada Japan de ebekwa ma ne bi ye de edi nechi me papa John Dramani Mahama wo ne bekwa ma wafa na me papa dofo me papa ono odekwadwa dofo ana me papa dofo ai ono na oye ono so ye former governor Bank of Ghana governor de bekoma ne bia no ye de ye di nechi ye chia mu nyina enti Juu TV ahaya eni di mu bisi. Sweetheart, are you done or do you want to say something again?
Thank you, Pastor Emmanuel. Thank you, everyone who's got my back. Sister Kay, everyone, really, everyone. And yes, Auntie Grace, Amechi, thank you so much. I think the more you think, the more you remember.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
And
Rosie, they keep coming. Yeah, Rose Ugo, whose birthday is coming. This is a shout out from me to you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
And she said the cloth also is on sale, so rush and come and buy. It's on sale. Just mention Juu. 10% off again.
Yes.
With them.
Yes.
Juu TV. Ahaya any edimu besi. Name me say so Juu TV. But more than subscribe to your channel no. Like, share, no view my comment. Oh yes sir,
Yes, so.
Emma your more
Yes,
vim.
so.
Emma your more.
Yes, so.
Your
Yes,
system.
so.
Ama ya holding
Boost
dada.
your morale.
Yes, I your program for Eddie Abro. Follow you on Facebook, Juu TV,
Thank you
Instagram,
so much.
Juu TV, and TikTok, Juu TV. Payment nankasa YouTube. But more than ko YouTube, neko subscribe to Juu TV. Ahaya, any dimu bisi. Ye besan share biom. My sister, then say goodbye to them.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Dalunu.
Bye bye.